I'm going to try something new today. Whenever I put plugs into my wood, I always use my trusty Force and a bit and this plug cutter that I've had for many years. This is starting to show signs of wear and I wanted to try something a little bit different. So I thought I'd get myself one of these sets by a company called Dart. Now I'm not endorsing this company, I just want to show you the difference of this method versus the method that I use. So I've never really used this method before. I've always used a pilot hole, used my Force and a bit, and then cut a plug. So I want to give one of these a go and see how well it performs. Just see the quality of the cut. Because I use a Force and a bit, because when you cut a hole with a Force and a bit, it severs the fibres of the wood, so it gives you a really nice, clean, crisp hole. So using something that's sort of the shape of a high-speed steel drill bit. I'm thinking there's probably going to be a bit of tear out, so we'll have a look. We'll see how well it goes. So these I've done with a Force and a bit. So let's just see how it compares to them. Yeah, that's pretty damn good. We still have a little bit of tear out of the fibres, but that compared to a high-speed steel bit or a brad point bit is way better. Just needs a light sand and then that'll be a nice clean crisp hole. So let's get ourselves the plug cutter put in. Now my plug cutter, like I said, I've used for many years. It's got two cutting edges on it, but I feel like it could be more efficient using this method, and it will keep it cooler. So if I'm trying to cut like 40-50 of these in oak, this gets really hot. So I'm going to see how this performs. This is Utile, by the way. This is a really hard tropical hardwood. So it skips about a little bit when it's not in a pillar drill, which I half expected anyway. But I'm going to get this out and see how it goes. Is that a taper? It looks to be slightly tapered, which is good for a plug. It just means you can get as tight a fit as possible. So if I get some glue. Make sure that the grain is aligned. Because it's tapered, it will tighten up and make sure it's as seamless as possible when you actually come to chiselling it off. Now before the woodworking police comment on the method that I'm using to cut with my chisel, I cannot move any further than my thumb allows it, so it's very controlled and it's very safe even though my hand is close to the chisel. After using that, I feel I am converted. So sorry, old Force and a bit. I'm going to have to retire you.